little more. That's good stuff. This might need to come down. I think we gotta tap on this thing down. I don't know if it's gonna work that way.
Oh man, it slipped. Try it again.
Alright, well, how much max you got to the nuts in the way? You can't take it up. You can take it up.
You can take it down, can't you?
No. No, take it back a little more. Zip it out. We might be able to catch it if we move the nut. The nut's like a blocker that we can lock it with. It's kind of like you tighten that nut to hold it.
Forward or back?
Go left.
Left?
Yeah. Go back. Yeah, take it out.
I think it just came out.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's out.
Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, we're taking it back out. Hold on.
Yeah, it seems like you might have to take these bolts out.
You don't want to do that.
Well, it seems like it's all the way as far as down as it goes.
We want it to stay. Well, let's get the red pry bar, because I can put the red pry bar right in here. Yeah, it's coming. There you go.
So the way that you get this out is you take one of these bolts, which was right here, and you put it in this other hole right here, and you basically just thread it in, and you use your impact gun and screw it in, and it pops this thing off right here, this piece, and then you can pull off this whole shaft. But I forgot to record it, so it's already off. Now we got to go in here and get this snap ring off, and hopefully we can get to the seal behind that. Snap ring is off. Now it looks like we take our little magnet here, pull whatever this is out. A little washer. And that should be our seal right there.
You need to get it where like you see your reflection.
I don't think this is doing anything.
That's how clean I want it.
Can't see what I'm doing.
messed up. See if you can pull it.
Where's the pliers? There should be some behind you. It's leaking everywhere.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, here, look. Look at, there it goes.
Here we go. It's like a plastic thing.
Yeah. I wonder why it was leaking. You think it was because there was a big screw in it, or no?
No. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go. So this is where all the magic happens, I guess. Right there. And you see that goes, that's what's over there. So these hoses come up all the way around and they go into this. That's where your pressure comes from. We're a little embarrassed, we weren't expecting company, but we usually try to keep it a little cleaner than this. So yeah, we'll have to work on that. So as you can see here, we got the new seal from Moorbark, which is the company that bought Denis Cimaf, since Denis Cimaf is no longer in business. And they charged us this amount right here, $160 for this little seal. And I was wondering, man, that's a lot of money for this little seal. So I took the part numbers off the back of this seal, which you can see right there, and I looked it up on Amazon. And this seal, which they charged us $160 for, I found on Amazon for about $20. So as you guys saw there, that seal was about $20 on Amazon. And I understand if Moorbark wants to charge maybe a little bit more for that seal to buy it through them, because obviously they have to make money, and we would gladly pay a little bit more for Moorbark. I mean, they're an American company, we want to support them, but charging $160 for a seal that they probably bought for $20 is kind of ridiculous. So it's a little disappointing, but we can't really say much as our Denis Cimaf has been pretty good. Also, I'll link the Amazon page in the description below, so that way if you guys ever have to do this to your mulcher, you know where you can get the seal for much cheaper. Anyways, let's get this seal on this machine and get it back to work.
Let's tap it with a hammer.
Hit it there. It's not going on straight.
It went more.
Okay, stop. Oh yeah, it's almost there.
Huh?
It's almost there.
Oh, just leave it there. Don't let it fall on you. I wouldn't take it all the way off.
Yeah, we need to take it off. We need to clean up the bill. Alright, so we messed up. Do not hammer this thing on. Let me show you why. We put the bolts in it so it lines up. Look how easy that slides on. That's so easy.
Don't make our same mistake.
And
45 minutes later.
yeah, after we had to pry it up, mess this whole thing up, it just slides on there. So yeah, put the bolts in first and just slide it on there. Now let's get this thing on. And when you look at this, this is the side that's on the outside of the mulcher. This is the side that we're prying on to get it off. You can see it's all messed up now. It's okay because you can see that the belt rides on this side of it and this isn't really used, so but we still messed that whole side up. So don't hammer it on.
Why is it not? Man, finally.
Yeah, look how easy that goes in now.
Are you on 3?
Yeah. So now we gotta raise it back up to put the tension back on it to where it was.
Hold on.
So now what's going to happen is, now that we put that little reflector on, we're going to take this, which is like a little laser, and when we spin the head, it's going to tell us how fast it's spinning, so that way we know if it's operating properly. Alright, so yeah, we're pretty much golden. You can see there, 2,446. We need to be at least at 2,000, so that's pretty good.
Another job done. I'm thankful that we at least had half a roof to keep us dry. It's the little things that matter in life.